Welcome to the construction site. Today, we are going to show you how a construction site works. This is Libby. He is currently driving a truck. Wow, what a cool truck. This is amazing. What does it do? What does your truck do? It can open. It can empty the rubbish. The rubbish is located here at the back. You can open the rubbish truck and you can empty it. Oh, what's this? This is a man driving a truck. What's happening here? His colleague, friend, is filling up the truck. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, toot, toot. Oh, it's a bit hot. Let's open this. Toot, 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 toot. And you can open here the truck. Thank you very much. You are good to go. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. What's in here? This is the fireman. What is the fireman doing? I am here to help the little Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is stuck. Oh, he's stuck on the tower. Oh no. How is gonna help him? Come safely to me. I'm gonna help you to come down. Thank you very much. Oops. Ah, I got you. I got you. Oopsie. Fell down. Let's try one more time. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna drop you. I'm gonna get you down safely. Here you go. Thank you, fireman. No worries. Next time, don't go up on your own. No problem at all. Thank you. For this can go back.